Hello guys, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Outlook not responding and freezing a lot. Let's begin. First, I want you to click over here on your Windows Start menu, type run, click on run, and I want you to type this over here, Outlook space slash save. Basically, we need to open Outlook on a safe mode. Click OK. Now it will look like this. Choose OK. Now we are on safe mode. Click on File and then click on Options. Here we need to remove some add-ins, potentially since you were able to open Outlook on safe mode. Most likely it's just a matter of add-ins and customization settings that interfere with the processes. Now go ahead, click on or select COM add-ins, click go, and then once done, press OK. You can go back on Outlook and check any individual add-ins that you find that might be interfering with the application itself. It's just basically checking manually a trial and error on which add-in might be causing this problem. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.